What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm a little excited because I love revving my engine. So we got a straight pipe in this whip. This is literally the only mod that I didn't do myself. So out of everything I've done, the carbon fiber, all the accents, the rear view camera, the coating, everything I've done myself, except I got the car with a straight pipe and I can't complain. Been thinking about the M Performance exhaust, but I love the straight pipe. I really can't lie. I literally love it. So it gets me hyped to rev that engine and hear that thing. I love those burbles. Sounds so good. Let's do it.